So this is another form of biofiltration system, and it takes all the water that has flowed from the rain gardens, for example, and some additional inputs from the development, and it is slowing the water down, and it's infiltrating the water again through a layer of media, the same sort of media we had in the rain gardens, infiltrating and eventually discharging to the nearby creek. And as it infiltrates, the water is, the nutrients contained in the water is absorbed by the media. And so what comes out at the end, the discharge to the creek, we've estimated is around 80% removal of phosphorus and around 70% removal of nitrogen across the whole system.